Welcome to my channel. Let's solve this Olympiad mathematics question. You can also present your own solution and if you have another method, you can present it in the comment section. Let's solve together. Solution. We have 1 over x plus 1 over y equals to 1 over 10. And we are asked to find x plus y. So the first thing is, let's find the LCM of x and y, which is xy equals to 1 over 10. So xy divided by x, that's y times 1, that gives us y, plus x times y, xy divided by y, that's x times 1, that's what gives us x. So let's cross multiply. So if we cross multiply, we are going to have xy times 1, that gives us xy equals to 10 times x plus y. 10 times x plus y. So we can open the bracket here. So if we open the bracket, we are going to have xy equals to 10x plus 10y. So what do we do next here? Let's subtract 10x and 10y from both sides. So if we subtract 10x and 10y from both sides, we are going to have xy minus 10x minus 10y equals to 10x plus 10y minus 10x minus 10y. So we do this, 10x minus 10y cancelled, 10y minus 10y also cancelled. So we have xy minus 10x minus 10y equals to 100, equals to 0, equals to 0. All right. The next step is by using completing the rectangle idea. So using completing the rectangle idea. So we do that, which means we are going to add 100 to both sides in order for us to be able to factorize easily. So that's what we are going to do. So we have xy minus 100 minus 10x minus 10y plus 100 equals to 0 plus 100. So if you do that here, if you now factorize this, what is common between these two? Xy and 10x, that's x. You have y minus 10. So what's common here? Minus 10, that's y minus 10, which is equal to 0 plus 100, that gives us 100. So if we factorize this now, the factors here is now what? 10, x minus 10, then y minus 10 equals to what? Equals to 100. So what's the next step for us here? Now let's look at factors of 100. Factors of 100. So we have several factors. The first one is 1 and 100. We have 2 and 50. We have 4 and 25. We have 5 and what again? 5 and 20. We have 10 and 10, and so on and so forth. But when you look at all these factors, the smallest positive symmetric solution is 10. Okay, the smallest positive symmetric solution is 10 and 10. Okay, that's the smallest positive symmetric solution there. So what do we now do here? Here now we now assume that if we let our x to be equals to what? To be equals to y. So if we let x be equals to y, we now go back to our equation, that is 1 over x plus 1 over y equals to 1 over 10. Okay, so if we do that, we are now going to have 1 over x plus 1 over y equals to 1 over 10. Recall that we say our x is equals, we should let our x to be equals to y, which means we can easily say this is 1 over x plus 1 over x equals to 1 over 10. So if we find the LCM now, the 2 is give us what? X equals to 1 over 10. X divided by 10, x1 plus x divided by x, that's also 1. So we now have 1 plus 1, that gives us what? 2 over what? X, which is equal to 1 over 10. So from here, if you cross multiply, x times 1 is equal to 2 times what? 2 times 10. So this give us x equals to 20. Since our x is 20, then recall that we say x is equals to y. So since x is equal to y, so which implies that y is also what? 20. So therefore, x plus y is equals to 20 plus 20. So if we add 20 plus 20, that will give us 40. That is the final answer to the question. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.